Here's one that's seriously in the water. We're gonna see how he...
The starter switch isn't working again. Huh? No, I shut it off. As soon as it got deep, I shut it off.
Some help on the other side there.
Is the bike still running?
Yeah, he's still running.
It's still running?
He's gonna try and get up and come out this side section here.
Good.
He's probably out of gas though.
I wouldn't have went down there. There's no ribbons.
It just went fail.
That's what they said. Stay by the ribbons. When you come to the water holes, there's ribbons on the left side.
This is not a water hole. This is a small navigable body of water here.
There's no ribbons at all, man. There's no reason for going down.